December 2003, South Korea. Hundreds of chicken are dying suddenly in a poultry farm with an unknown disease. Within 2 days, it spread to nearby farms. Samples are collected and are sent to lab just to know that it's none other than the deadly H5N1 strain of bird flu virus. Bird flu or avian influenza type A virus is usually found in wild aquatic birds. These birds act as carriers and spread the virus through the fecus or secretions from eyes and nose. Sometimes this virus jumps to animals and in a few cases to humans. Bird flu virus has many strains, but the most important one to consider is H5N1. H5N1 is first isolated from a wild goose in China in 1996, but the first human transmission occurred in Hong Kong in 1997, killing 6 among the 18 infected. To contain the spread of virus, 15 lakh birds are killed within 3 days in Hong Kong alone. But that's not the end of it. When the virus first attacked the poultry chicken, it just affected the quality of eggs or causing ruffled feathers. But no one identified this as a serious problem. This category of bird flu is called LPAI. But this virus spread steadily among the poultry farms all over the world, and by the end of 2003, it got the ability to kill a chicken within 48 hours. This category is called HPAI. HPAI spreads rapidly among the poultry chicken because of the closely packed rooms and lack of humidity. This leads to sudden death of the birds. In just 2 years, 100 million birds are killed in Asia alone to stop the spread of the virus. According to WHO, H5N1 infected 861 people and killed 455 among them. This shows the nature of the virus. Human transmission is rare but can be deadly. Other strains of bird flu virus also infected humans but are very less harmful when compared to H5N1. H and N are protein spikes on the virus, and based on the protein spikes, they are given various names. The reasons why H5N1 is dangerous are it can transmit from birds to humans, it has high mortality rate, and it has the pandemic potential. Pandemics caused by the flu virus in the past century resulted in huge loss to economy and human lives. As of now, human-to-human transmission of bird flu virus is very rare. However, there is a possibility for virus mutation and getting ability for human-to-human transmission. Consuming only properly cooked meat and eggs. Avoid touching dead or infected birds. If necessary, use gloves or cleaning hands thoroughly after touching them can protect you from infections. In 2007, FDA has approved one vaccine for H5N1 strain, but not publicly available. Some countries are stockpiling the vaccine to distribute if necessary. Infected birds and the birds around them are killed in many countries to stop the spread of the virus temporarily. Fever, cough, cold, sore throat, difficulty in breathing are common symptoms. However, symptoms vary in some cases. RT-PCR and other tests are conducted to diagnose the disease. There is no standard treatment, but oseltamivir or Tamiflu is considered to be effective if given within 2 days of symptom recognition.